Hello everyone, this is Success Pathfinder. Success is not the key to happiness. Happiness is the key to success. And today I'm excited to talk to you about something that is not just a tool for success, but a lifelong journey of discovery and growth. A lifelong learning. क्या आपने सोचा है कि कुछ लोग अपने करियर में हमेशा आगे बढ़ते रहते हैं और कुछ वही रह जाते हैं? Today we will explore how lifelong learning can help you sustain your career and overcome age discrimination, leaving you with the roadmap to success and fulfillment. But let me ask you a few questions. How many of you feel that your current skills might become outdated in the next few years? कितने लोगों को लगता है कि वे अपने करियर में एक ठहराव पर हैं और कुछ नया करना चाहते हैं? How many of you ever faced or fear of facing age discrimination in your professional journey? So let me tell you, there is lifelong learning, the skill enhancement, adaptability, personal growth, networking opportunities, innovation and creativity. Consider Satya Nadella, CEO of Microsoft, who continuously learned and evolved his skills, ultimately leading Microsoft to embrace new technologies and strategies. Think of Elon Musk, who has seamlessly moved from software to automotive to aerospace by constantly learning and adapting. You might heard of Harlan Sanders, better known as Colonel Sanders, started KFC in his 60s, breaking the stereotype that entrepreneurship is only for the young. So let me tell you few of the strategies for lifelong learning: online courses, workshops and seminars, reading and research, networking events, mentorship programs. Bill Gates is known for his reading habit, constantly consuming books to stay ahead in technology. Attending TED conferences can provide new insight and networking opportunity with industry leaders. Tim Cook, CEO of Apple, often speaks about the importance of continuous learning and how he leverages online courses to stay informed. Let's wrap up with a thought-provoking quote from Mahatma Gandhi ji. Live as if you were to die tomorrow, learn as if you were to live forever. Lifelong learning is not just about staying relevant, it's about enhancing your life, breaking barriers and proving that age is just a number. So I challenge you today, take the first step towards a journey of lifelong learning, invest in yourself, break the stereotypes and create a future where you are not defined by your age, but by your skills, knowledge and passion. Remember, the only limit to our realization of tomorrow is our doubts of today. Thank you, and here is to a lifetime of learning and growth.